Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel, and today we are going to be comparing Luma AI and WonderShare. Please note that comparing these two is a bit like comparing a specialized film engine to a multi-purpose Swiss Army knife. You see, Luma AI is a singular, powerful tool for creating cinematic video and 3D scenes. Whereas WonderShare is a massive software ecosystem centered around film, mural, and Vibo that includes hundreds of editing, audio, and utility tools. Are you getting the scope of this? Now let's look at their core features, or should I say core differentiators. It's like comparing creativity to utility. What do I mean? Luma AI is what you use when you want to direct a scene that does not exist, like a monster walking through London. Whereas WonderShare Filmora is what you use when you have footage or you need stock footage and want to quickly add music, captions, and effects to make a YouTube video. Now let's compare physics and realism. Luma AI's Ray 3 engine understands how light reflects and how objects move in 3D space. WonderShare's AI features are more utilitarian. What do I mean? They are designed to speed up boring tasks like cutting out backgrounds or syncing audio to the beats. So it's not the same. When we look at the digital human gap, WonderShare has a dedicated tool called Vibo for creating talking head, that is talking head videos with AI avatars. Luma AI does not have a specialized tool for syncing a digital person's lips to a specific script. Lastly, let's look at the all-in-one versus single shot comparison. What do I mean? Luma AI produces a single high-quality shot. WonderShare provides a timeline where you can layer dozens of shots, add a soundtrack, and export a finished 10-minute movie. Do you understand the differences now? Hope you do. See you in the next video.